Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be about a product I'm really excited about. So yeah, today's video is about this guy over here. So this one is also from Siberian Health. I recently did a video on some skincare products from Siberian Health, and I'm really excited about this product because it's a completely natural product. But that's not the only amazing thing. So this product doesn't have sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, synthetic dyes and fragrances, and it's not tested on animals. But it's also a 3-in-1 product. So it's a face care product, obviously. It's a cleanser, scrub and mask. So it deeply cleans your skin, it exfoliates your skin, and it also nourishes your skin. And it does that in only 5 minutes. So I'm really looking forward to testing this product out because I already tested out some of the other products from this collection and I was really blown away by them. So if this product is half as good as those are, it's going to be amazing. But I'm going to share my final opinions at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I'm first going to show you a close-up of the product and then test it out on my face, and I'm going to tell you my final thoughts. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned.
Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Very simple and nice. In the back you have your instructions and your ingredients. As you can see, it doesn't have any parabens, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, and it's not tested on animals. So the moment of truth, I'm going to open it and see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, the texture is very weird. As you can see, it's very foamy. It has those little plants inside. And what you cannot see in this watch is that it has micro particles, probably for the exfoliation. Yeah, very strange texture. Okay, now let's test it out.
Okay, and now for the moment of truth, I'm going to apply my hairband and test it out.
I'm setting my timer for 5 minutes and I'm going to test this mask out finally. But first, let me show you what my skin looks like at the moment. Okay. Taking some mask.
You don't need too much to cover your entire face, so I just used a little bit and it's really enough. It smells amazing. It has those really tiny microparticles inside that help exfoliate your skin. So I can really feel them. I look really funny, don't I? I know I do, I know. But it's okay, you can laugh. It's drying out. Yeah, it's getting dry now. Okay, so it's time to tell you my final thoughts about this product. This is an amazing product. My skin feels so nice and so soft. It blows me away how good this product is. It doesn't strip your skin of oils, which most deep cleaning products do. It did a nice job exfoliating my skin. As I've said, my skin feels so soft. It's very hydrating, so that's a big plus too. It's not tested on animals. You need only 5 minutes to do a complete skincare routine, and yeah, it's completely natural. It doesn't have any sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, synthetic dyes and fragrances, and it also smells incredible. So what more can I tell you? But you should definitely check this product out. It's that good, and I cannot wait to hear from you and to hear your experiences. Please let me know if you try this product. Comment down below and yeah, share your experiences. I'm really interested. I've tested a bunch of Siberian health cosmetics, and these are some of my favorite things from their collection. This is the Siberian Rose Hips face mousse. I use this one daily. It's so good. It's so nice. It smells amazing, and it's very light on the skin. It's a really nice moisturizer. This one as well. This is the Rose Hips oil. It has a bunch of other oils as well. Both are completely natural. You need a tiny little bit, and yeah. I highly recommend all of those products. So yeah.
Okay, so before I finish the video, I just wanted to show you the website really quickly. So you can buy everything online. You can change it to your country here, so you don't need to pay a lot of shipping fees. If you become a client, make your first purchase for $40, about 30 points, and get 5% bonus on your next purchase to your health budget. Make purchases with your friends for $400, 300 points with any period of time, and get 10% bonus on your next purchase to your health budget account. Make the purchases totaling 100 points within the month and get 25% cashback credits to your health budget. Purchase for $40 about 30 points or more for 3 consecutive months and get 25 discount on one of the DS. As you can see, they have a bunch of products, really a lot of products, and they're really highly rated, completely natural. This oil is amazing. This face mousse as well, and very cheap for what you get. Okay, so let me show you the face mask. It's $10. It's a little bit more expensive than I thought, probably because of the shipping. You can see all the ingredients and everything. And it's really highly rated, as you can see. And that's it.
That concludes this video. If you like it, leave it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I post videos all the time, and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!